Today we're going to be unboxing the DualSense controller for the PS5. Can't wait to do that. Let's get to the video. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. And on this channel we do a whole bunch of tech and audio reviews. If you're into any of that, hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the bell notification right next to it so you guys can be notified when I post new videos. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. You guys are helping my channel grow. And as always, with all these products in these videos, I put the link down in the description below. All right, buds, so right here we have the DualSense wireless controller. And also, right here we have my PS5. It looks really beautiful. It looks like how everyone said. It's really big, it's sleek looking, kind of looks like a router, but this video is not about this PS5. It's all about this controller. So let's unbox this thing. I got the controller because I was 100% confident I was gonna get a PS5. Didn't get one. Went great. My wife, Iconic, she got one. And she lets me know that she got one. She didn't at first. Now that we're getting closer, she lets me know all the time that she got a PS5 and I didn't. All right, so let's unbox this bad boy. I'm really excited for the PS5. I might have to wait, it's fine. I've also been getting into the PC gaming a little bit, you know, trying to learn how to get my left hands going. But I'm definitely gonna get a PS5 because I love like the PlayStation exclusives. So I'm really excited to get my hands on this controller and see what it feels like. I do have big hands, and I did like the form factor of the PS4 controller. So them going with a little thicker size like the Xbox controllers is going to be something new. All right, so here goes the PS5 DualSense controller. I'm pretty sure you guys seen it 1,000 times by now, but this is my first time being able to touch it. That's what it looks like. So here goes the look of the DualSense controller, and I'm finally about to see it right now. Looks pretty good, not gonna lie. So as you can see, it's like a little see-through crystal buttons on the controller. That's really fancy, I do like that. That's a nice little design. So I have the PS4 controller right here. When it comes to the R2 and L2 triggers, they're not that far apart. The PS5 is a little bit wider, but the length, it's not that much longer, just by a tad bit, but more than anything, it is a little bit wider. One thing you would notice with the PS5 version from the L1 and the R1s is that on the PS4, they have that gap in there. So it makes it a little bit smaller for the L1s and R1s. And on the PS5, there is no dead space in there. So it gives you a longer, you could definitely feel it, how much of a difference it is for your L1 and R1 trigger. Definitely way more room compared to the PS4. The joysticks are basically the same. I normally throw control freaks or different types of grips on my sticks anyway, so that won't bother me. You do have your PlayStation button where your home button used to be. So if you just hold it down, you'll get the light up right here. There's no more blue light up here, no more track. It's all in there. The little light, it'll light up on the inside. And as you see, our port now, our charging port is going to be USB Type-C. So all of those PlayStation wires that you collected over all these years, it's time to throw them out because we're going to be using a different charging wire. So the D-pad, it feels, you know, regular. You really don't use D-pads too much in none of the games I play, at least, other than switching through menus and stuff, so it's fine. One thing I did notice is I feel like my hands, because of the extra thickness they added, from the end of the controller to the analog sticks, I feel like there's more travel time, for sure. A lot of Xbox people are probably used to that, but coming off the PS4 controller, which I felt like they nailed it with the thin shape, little hands to big hands, I feel like everyone felt comfortable with the PS4 controller. But from the end to the stick, less travel time. Feels like your thumbs could be all like just take all over the analog sticks however you want to hold them and be comfortable. I got to get used to the new controller, but I feel like there's just more travel time here. You're definitely probably gonna have to adjust of your hand placement because I choke up to the top on the PS4 controller, but when I'm doing that on the PS5, I could kind of feel already that my fingers just feel weird. It's hidden in places that it didn't on the PS4. So I'm probably gonna have to drop my hands down, my hand placement a little bit to get where I'm used to it hitting at. But it's a new controller, it's a new form factor. I get used to it. I got used to the PS4, so I definitely would get used to this for sure. You could already feel like the triggers feel really nice compared to the, you know, easy to tap and push down plastic key PS4. These feel like they're ready to have the little haptic, you know, feedback. You can see the springs in there. It already has a different type of pressure. I can't wait to see what that feels like on a game. All right, bud, so there you have it. That's the DualSense controller for the PS5. The white looks way better than I thought. I really like the design of it. It's a new form factor that we're all going to have to get used to. People that are coming from Xbox to PlayStation, or people that have, you know, those PlayStation, Xbox looking controllers, they're going to have no problem with this. For me, I was rocking with the PS4 controller the whole time. So this is going to be a new form factor for a lot of us, but I used to play with the old Duke controller on Xbox, and you know, the Dreamcast controllers, those big old controllers, and we adjusted to those and it wasn't a problem. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna have no problem with the new PS5 controller. So that's it. I know everyone's excited to get their hands on their controller, so I just want to show you guys mine. I want to open it up and unbox it with you guys. I really like it. I can already tell the one thing I'm gonna have to get used to is those L1, R1 area for me. Gotta get that reaction time, baby. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell notification right next to it so you guys will be notified when I post new videos. And once again, buds, to all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I really, really do appreciate it. So I'll put the link down in the description below, so if you guys want to get a controller and you don't even have a system like me, I've still put the link down in the description below. But anyone that got a pre-order, leave it in the comments below. I want to know who all got pre-orders that subscribe here or just viewing the channel. Let me know if you got a PS5. All right, buds. I'll see you guys in the next video. Be safe out there. Peace.